This is Dr. Aaron. I'm here today with Reece. And Reece, you were in an auto accident. Can you tell me about that? What happened and how you felt following that accident?
Sure. Yeah, I was setting on the interstate and at a stop, a semi in our lane didn't stop, went through a car behind me and myself, kind of totaling all of our cars. And after the accident, I walked out, didn't really feel anything. Within a day, I could barely move, and I was having trouble just sitting or standing. Nothing was comfortable.
Did the ambulance come, or did you go to the hospital after your accident?
No, didn't have to go to any emergency service or anything like that. It felt as if nothing had happened almost right away, but within a short time, that changed dramatically.
And when you started to feel the pain come on or your symptoms come on, what did you decide to do?
Well, my first thought was I have to find some way to stop this. I got to go to work. I have things I got to get done, and I can't let this stop my life. And so the first thing I did is start looking for somebody who had means to help me get rid of this pain.
Okay. And what did you choose to go, or where did you go, or who did you see for your problem?
Well, even though I live quite away from Indianapolis, I decided to come this way and go to your facility because of what I saw online and what I knew about the facility as far as being able to treat someone like myself who had severe back pain from an injury in an accident. So I immediately called and got an appointment and got over here as soon as possible.
Okay. And how long did it take you to start feeling better after you received treatments? Was it a couple, or did it take some time as you were getting therapy and getting worked on?
Within 2 treatments, and that was I think maybe 3 days apart, 2 days apart, I was already at least not feeling the extreme pain, and it was starting to subside within a couple days.
Good. And did you hire an attorney? Did you seek a legal counsel for after your accident?
No, there really wasn't any need between talking with you and understanding what transpired from the medical side. I didn't need anything like that. It was pretty easy.
So you just had to deal with your insurance adjuster?
Mm-hmm.
And with the documentation and notes and reports that were done and how your treatment was documented, did you have any problem with that at all?
No, I mean, as far as just keeping up with the ongoing medical bills as treatment was done, it was perfect. They were able to reimburse for anything that insurance didn't cover immediately, and no problems all the way through to the settlement.
Great. And so if somebody was in an accident or had an injury, would you recommend personal injury correct care to them?
There's no question. From just getting out of those first couple days where I felt like I couldn't figure out how I was going to go on, and getting that handled all the way to the point of settlement and just getting my life back, I can't imagine going anywhere else.
That's great. Do you have any advice for anybody who's been in an accident or who's been injured?
Well, first off, I'd have them call Aaron. Come get some help and make sure you get your back straightened up, because that's something you're going to have to deal with the rest of your life. So you want to get it fixed and make sure someone knows what they're doing. So that was my first thought, and I'd tell everyone to do the same. That's the most important thing in the process, is getting your life back and feeling normal again.
Great. Well, thank you, Reece, for sharing your story. I appreciate it. Have a great afternoon.
Yeah, thanks for all your help.
Thank you.